Hey everyone, it's time for another roundup of the most amazing inventions today. You'll get a glimpse of the future of drones, bladeless models with no moving parts. You'll learn how smart fish farms managed by AI is set up. You'll also understand how a unique transforming wheel that's capable of climbing stairs works. And of course, you'll see the world's most powerful Euro motorcycle and much more. First, bladeless drone. Imagine a drone without any spinning blades, no more noisy buzzing or risk of accidents. This bladeless drone uses ion thrust technology to fly. Instead of traditional rotors, it pushes ions through electric fields, creating smooth, silent lift. Not only is it safer for indoor use, but it's also environmentally friendly with zero emissions. This futuristic design could change the way drones are used in deliveries, surveillance, and even entertainment. AI-powered smart fish farms. Farming fish has never been smarter. Thanks to AI-powered fish farms, operators can monitor thousands of fish without even being there. Underwater cameras paired with artificial intelligence track the fish's health, feeding habits, and growth rates. If a fish gets sick, the system isolates it and adjusts the feeding automatically. This technology reduces disease spread, improves fish health, and ensures sustainable seafood production. Transforming wheels that climb stairs. Wheels are great until you hit stairs. But now, with transforming wheels, that's no longer a problem. These wheels are made of flexible segments that shift when needed, creating a claw-like grip to hook onto steps. After climbing, they return to their normal round shape. This innovation could revolutionize wheelchairs, delivery robots, and even luggage, making them more versatile in urban environments. Aircat. Meet the Aircat, a boat that's part catamaran, part inflatable vessel. It features two large pontoons filled with air cushions, lifting most of the boat above the water. This reduces drag, saves fuel, and provides a smoother ride even on choppy seas. Designed mainly for offshore oil operations, the Aircat could easily find its way into recreational boating with its eco-friendly, fuel-efficient design. The wearable food tracker. Forget about calorie-counting apps. You can now wear a gadget that tracks your meals automatically. This tiny wearable device clips onto your shirt or hangs around your neck. When it sees food, it snaps a photo and sends the data to your phone, where an AI analyzes the ingredients, calories, and nutrients. It's like having a personal nutritionist with you 24/7, perfect for health-conscious individuals or athletes. T100 Agricultural Drone. The T100 agricultural drone is changing the way farmers care for their crops. Equipped with advanced sensors and 360-degree cameras, it flies over fields spraying fertilizers and pesticides precisely where needed. Its smart system adjusts the spray based on plant size, weather conditions, and soil health. This not only saves resources, but also helps grow healthier crops with less environmental impact. 360-degree camera platform. Cinematic 360-degree shots have never been easier, thanks to this new camera platform. It holds 8 cameras tightly together to eliminate blind spots. Stabilized with magnetic drives, it stays perfectly level even on rough terrain, allowing filmmakers to capture flawless panoramic views without the usual stitching issues. It's a game changer for movie directors, VR content creators, and event videographers. Smart warehouse tower. Forget traditional warehouses with endless aisles. The smart warehouse tower stacks containers vertically, and AI-powered robots move along tracks to retrieve items. The system uses 3D mapping to find the fastest route to any product, fulfilling orders in under 3 minutes. This space-saving design is perfect for urban areas, making warehouses more efficient and reducing delivery times. Hybrid rover. Exploring other planets requires special vehicles. Enter the hybrid rover, a robot with both wheels and legs. It can roll over flat ground, walk over obstacles, and even climb steep cliffs. Equipped with cameras, sensors, and a robotic arm, it collects samples from remote areas. Designed for lunar and Martian missions, this rover helps scientists explore without putting astronauts at risk. Hydrogen-powered race car. Who says eco-friendly can't be fast? This hydrogen-powered race car runs on fuel cells, producing electricity without harmful emissions. It has a dual fuel system for extra power during races, combining speed with sustainability. Currently competing in the Netherlands, this car proves that green technology can dominate the racetrack while reducing our carbon footprint. Stark Varg motorcycle. Meet the Stark Varg, an electric dirt bike with the power of a traditional 450cc engine. Its 5 performance modes let you adjust power for different terrains, from casual trail rides to professional motocross tracks. It's lightweight, super fast, and has a battery that lasts longer than any competitors. Plus, it's street legal, making it perfect for both racing and daily commutes. Lava tube exploration. Robot. Scientists believe that lava tubes on the moon could be perfect for future astronaut bases, offering protection from radiation and extreme temperatures. To explore these underground tunnels, researchers developed a robot with winches and wheels to descend deep into the lunar surface. Tested in volcanic caves on Earth, it's designed to handle harsh, alien environments with ease. AI boxing trainer. Get fit and sharpen your boxing skills with the AI boxing trainer. This wall-mounted punching bag features infrared sensors and a virtual coach displayed on a screen. It tracks your punches, speed, and power, offering real-time feedback to improve your technique. Perfect for home gyms, it's like having a personal trainer without the expensive fees. Always home cam. Why have static security cameras when you can have a flying one? The Always Home Cam patrols your house autonomously, flying along pre-programmed routes. It uses sensors to avoid obstacles and streams live footage to your phone. Whether you're checking on your home, pets, or even plants, this drone gives you peace of mind from anywhere in the world. Sealander camper boat. Can't decide between camping and boating? Why not both? The Sealander is a compact camper that transforms into a boat. Tow it behind your car, park it by a lake, and drive it straight into the water. Inside, it has a dining table that converts into a bed, a small kitchen, and even a toilet. Whether on land or water, it's the perfect adventure companion. Rainstream fire suppression system. Wildfires are becoming more common, but the Rainstream fire suppression system offers a new way to fight them. This 100-foot-tall collapsible tower sprays water over large areas, creating a mist barrier that smothers flames quickly. It connects to nearby water sources like lakes or rivers, making it highly effective even in remote locations. Faster deployment means faster control, saving lives and ecosystems. If you enjoyed discovering these incredible inventions, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the latest technology shaping our future.